What's going on, guys? I'm Motonosity, and this is my 2015 Yamaha R3 mods update. Before we get started, I gotta give a big thanks to some of the sponsors for the build that provided a lot of the parts that you're gonna see on the build today. YamahaR3Racing.com has a ton of really good R3 products, as well as a lot of great tutorials to let you guys know how to do everything on your R3. Black Lab Motorcycles made the Street Fighter kit that you're gonna see, and they make a lot of different Street Fighter kits for different bikes too. Enigma Coatings, my powder coater of choice here in the Austin, Texas area, did all the powder coating that you're gonna see on this bike, as well as all the other builds on my channel. And TST Industries and Sato Racing hooked us up with some of the parts as well. So huge thanks to all of these brands for helping us out and making this build really super awesome. If you see anything you like in the video, all of the parts will be linked down in the description so you guys can buy exactly what's on here. If you feel like replicating the whole thing or just buying some of the parts, you guys can do that. Without further ado, let's go over my Street Fighter R3. Starting off with the cosmetics of the bike, as mentioned, it's got a Black Lab Motorcycles Street Fighter kit. Now this is a kit that comes with everything that you need to completely change the look of the bike. It comes kind of a matte black color, but I decided to paint some of the panels matte white. I did that myself, custom paint. To bring the whole color scheme together, we've got powder coating by Enigma Coatings. The frame, the triple tree, the fork tubes, and a few other pieces are powder coated in matte, kind of a satin black called Blackjack, while the wheels and the rear shock are powder coated bronze. The seat's been reupholstered with a custom seat cover from Moto. The front fender has been replaced with a carbon fiber fender from YamahaR3Racing.com. At the rear is the clear integrated taillight from TST Industries for the Yamaha R3. We've got an oil filler cap and brake reservoir cap from Sato Racing, and the fuel cap's been replaced with a quick turn fuel cap from Norton Fab. Moving on to some people's favorite part, the exhaust system. We've got an M4 Street Slayer slip-on exhaust, as well as the Norton Fab smog block-off plate and AIS removal kit, and a K&N air filter. Moving on to what's driving the wheel, we got a Yoyodyne slipper clutch, one of my favorite mods on this bike, as well as a 520 chain and sprocket kit. Now this uses the super light sprockets. We got a steel one at the rear, a steel one at the front, and it's one down in the front, one up in the rear. Suspension's been upgraded all around. We've got a Traxion Dynamics fork damper rod kit, as well as a Norton Fab race spec light shock. As I mentioned, powder coated in bronze. Protecting the case, we've got a Woodcraft clutch cover and a Woodcraft stator cover, both with replaceable sliders. And at the front, we've got an Evotech radiator guard. Now, brakes are one of the biggest areas of improvement on the R3, so I upgraded both the front and rear rotor with the Galfer Wave rotors. The front caliper got new race brake pads, and we've got new race spec stainless steel braided brake lines in both the front and the rear. Moving on to controls, we got new Vortex Racing clip-ons on the bike, and attached to those we've got the Norton Fab adjustable folding race levers for both the brake and the clutch lever. We've also got the new Robbie Moto race throttle assembly. This comes with the throttle lines as well as the throttle tube and throttle assembly for on the clip-ons. Along with it, we've got the domino replacement kill switch, and to make that throttle throw feel even better, we've got a lightweight throttle return spring. Finishing things off, we got Sato Racing race hooks, Norton Fab race spec ECU flash, and an anti-gravity lightweight lithium battery. And that's it. That's the 2015 Yamaha R3 Street Fighter. If you want to see how it was built, you can check out the playlist link down in the description. If there are any parts that you want, those are all linked as well. If you want to support the future builds, you can check out my Patreon page at patreon.com/Motonosity. Make sure you hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, sub if you're not subbed yet, and turn on notifications. Remember, life's right with horsepower, keep life lived, and I'll see you guys in the next one.